So now Charu is on with her cheek retractor, and we will take some good pictures. First, switch on the camera, make sure that it is not on a selfie mode, and we take the pictures from the front, absolutely closed mouth. We take a picture from here. Now, Charu, we will be taking a side view of your closed mouth. On the other side, you're supposed to do the same. Now, can you open your mouth, Charu? Make sure that you go a little closer to your patient, ask the patient to open the mouth, and click the lower teeth photos. Now, when you have to click the upper one, you have to angulate yourself a little bit and take a picture for the upper ones. After taking pictures using cheek retractor, now it's time for different shots. So first, let's take a front selfie with a closed mouth. Now, with a smiling face, showing your teeth, of course. Turn towards your left and take a side profile picture. Now going on to the left side, take a left profile photo, look in front, keep the selfie mode on and click. So now move on to the right side, make sure that you look absolutely straight, put the selfie mode on and click.